No rush, no pressure, just me. I love days like this, simple and full of joy. So, welcome to my little corner of delight. It's Destiny, and today we're living life together.
Hey guys, I'm making rice and stew. We go in the fire. I just happened to get it in the market. I happened to buy it. I just met the woman and I saw that she was going to the girl. And madam, this paper is small. She was like, no, this one has to be very, give this. And the scent is just amazing. My pepper for life. I'm about to pepper. Buy this pepper at the fish. Double promotion.
I go add the charge. Your card.
Okay. Still okay. This guy style now. I saw my this is if I sit down, I know. If you sit down. Need some Charlie Bobby.
About Paris.
guys, so someone invited me for a program tomorrow and I picked out the sandals to wear. So I'm not somebody that normally regrets buying things, but for this one, I'm forced to say I regret buying it. I've had these sandals for like more than 10 months now, and I've worn it once. And the day I wore it, I trekked a little with it, just a little. Getting home, I realized that I had injuries all over my leg. Like this side I had to like wrap around my leg. Had caused injury for me, and it was so bad. It was so bad because it took like 3 weeks to heal. I love this. I love it. So letting it go is just so difficult for me. I think what I'm gonna do is to not even trek at all on this. So I'm just going to stay one place. I'm not going to trek with it. What do you guys think? It's so lovely, honestly. But I'm so attracted to this butterfly design. I'm super attracted to it. Very, very fine. So yeah, I'm just a girl.